Where's the school?
Oh, we are here. Right here. That's the church. This is where I kind of want to be. I found that button.
Oh, no, there's the park right there.
Yeah, the park right here. But that's where I found that coin. I mean, that button right here. I kind of want to. I was looking at this.
We might be able to go farther if there's a path.
All right, well, right here. There's a path right here.
Yeah.
Then we'll go here?
Yeah.
And then walk around there?
Yep. Smooth ride!
Smooth ride, yes! Alright, we're probably 5 minutes out. So, the story goes, the legend goes that in 1875, about 1,000 soldiers camped at this site. And we're gonna go there and find out if it's true or not.
Someone set this up. You good?
Yeah.
You find the gold right there in that corner.
Really?
You might fall off, dude. I'll try to go slow, but you might have to. Oh God! You have to hold on. Yeah, no, hold on to me, good.
Yeah. Holy fuck! Right? Are these all old foundations here?
No.
Ow! Ow! Fucking bitch!
What do you got?
Prickers. Park here?
Yeah.
Alright. Like it. Now we're on a walking mission now. Yeah, let's go down that path. I'd like to know what's on the other side of that rock wall.
Oh, I can't see my foot, but
I know, huh? We won't go too far from it. Oh, what's that, huh? Let's go through there.
okay. Oh yeah, there's a split right there.
Yeah. Wow, whoever built this rock wall, dude, they did a good job. Oh, this is a good spot back here. Look at this, Mikey. So you gotta think back in the day, all this land here, you see? All this land was just farmland, right? And you gotta think of a farmer sitting at this tree right here, eating lunch, right? Maybe dropping some coins out of his pocket or something to see around this tree if there's anything that an old farmer left behind. Ooh, ooh. 25. All right. What's in there? Wow, look at that. Oh, fucking musket ball. That trash over there? Yeah. That's a good fucking sign.
Oh wow, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go, friends.
Let's go, friends. Let's go.
Where is it?
Showing up trash. Ready? I'm calling, maybe a,
Some old rusty farm equipment.
oh, a shackle. Oh, it's an old trap. Look at that, huh? Wow. That's fucking cool.
Oh, wow, dude, that is cool.
No fucking.
Oh, yeah.
That's fucking pretty cool.
Chained it to the tree. They step on that,
Yep.
and fucking it just. These come in. These have teeth on them. There's 2 of them.
Wow. Wow. So we found a trap. Found an old musket ball. Looked like a hand musket ball. A bullet from a musket gun. Pretty cool. Pretty good hunt so far. You know. Some people come do this stuff. They don't find anything but beer cans and trash. We found 2 things in what? An hour?
Yep.
Pretty good.
The day was over for Matt and Mike. The sun was setting and it was getting dark. They will return.